We're gonna miss you, bro. We're gonna miss you, bro. You lived your life, man. Legendary, man. All day, everything, man. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight, Laugh Out Loud every Thursday. I want to dedicate today to one of our own, a great man, a veteran in the game, a comedian, an actor, a singer, lyricist, ladies and gentlemen, a basketball lover, a lost him, man. But tonight, to the legendary of Soundsultan, who will stand up today, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, Soundsultan, I wish say I could reach you anywhere you did. You know, you were your long, long way from home. I think you are home now, finally. You said it yourself, Ajoli Davile. And we wish you farewell. I will pray that the children that you've left behind, grace of God will be with them. And may your spirit also guide Farida. Well, people, my name is Laugh Up Comedian. This is Laugh Up Loud every Thursday Comedy Club. I'm a producer of the show and the lead talent on the show. We're paying tribute to Soundsultan, the Nigerian Ninja. We do this every Thursday, the show itself, but this time around, we thought it'd be nice to pay homage to a man that has touched many of us, to a man that is a popular, legendary, and a big property, I must say, in the comedy community, in the music industry, and of course in the movie industry as well. He's a fantastic MC, wonderful comedian, lyricist, singer, producer, and talent promoter, I must say. A theater man, you know. Ladies and gentlemen, this guy is nothing short of legendary. I met Soundsultan many years ago as a student in UI. He was the first big artist I ever brought to the University of Ibadan. And I did this non-grata for us. Yes, on the bill of MTN at the year, with the connection we have. But from that moment, he grew up to be my friend, my big brother, and someone I look up to. Next game night, coming up soon. DM Laugh Out Loud on Instagram to get the control and coordinates. Yeah. Even a good friend, yeah, he called my soul. Soundsultan, leaves you forever, my children. Your song will stay forever relevant until eventually that change that you fought for comes to be.
Alright, my name is Babatunde Ojobaro. My friends call me Mr. Rain, the corporate entertainer. And I'm here, of course, with Laugh Up live comedy show, comedy club. It's been fun all the way. And about Soundsultan. If you're an entertainer, if you love good music, you definitely have come in contact with Soundsultan. And whether we like it or not, something is missing. Soundsultan is gone to rest. The entertainment industry feels it personally because of some of his songs that we love to play, we love to listen to, and you know, it just feels bad when good people leave.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Laugh Up Loud. Tonight, we celebrate Soundsultan. He's lived his life, you know. He's done his beat, he's done his part, and he's gone, and gone for good. Ladies and gentlemen, Soundsultan is special to us at this level. I remember when I tried, you know, I find my position. They one of the people God sent to me. Soundsultan was always on my case in the man. I said, Laugh Up, come to Lagos, the money is here. I said, bros, down in Lagos, the guy said, yo. I said, Laugh Up, enter. He tried to hook me up with a job to host a reality show. It didn't work. He told me, don't worry, it will happen. Anytime I go on and say, Papa, how will they be now? Any event, which one we go now? Finally, when I got Martinada, so Soundsultan was the first person that called me. He said, I don't tell you. Don't worry, before you know it will happen. Anytime when I invite Soundsultan, come back now. Hello? Hey, extraordinary gentlemen. Are we together? Are we together? Ladies and gentlemen, if you believe in the legendary of Soundsultan, can we please put our hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for no other person but the legendary of Soundsultan, the Ninja. This man, a veteran, correct guy, 44 years, he looks like 64, he has done so much and touched a lot of people. I remember those years when I go watch Soundsultan for MITV. When did they do segment for my brother's show, Baba D, that time. When they say, I meet one girl, he named her Kate. I meet her for Kate. I can't remember Golden Gate. He said, make I don't run late. When Baba they frustrate because he be magistrate. Soundsultan, very good guy.